Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're not making just any chicken biryani. We're making a joint biryani, the kind an entire village remembers for years. The kind that starts with laughter and ends with everyone sitting shoulder to shoulder over one shared pot. But before a single spice hits the pan, there's a small problem. We need a chicken, and this particular chicken has other plans entirely. Hurry up, sisters, find the chicken, someone shouts, already breaking into a run. Someone points toward the open field. Look over there, it might be there. And sure enough, there it is. Big, bold, completely uninterested in becoming lunch. What follows can only be described as chaos with a purpose. Sonam, run after it, quickly. Catch it, catch it. The chase spills across the field, dust kicking up behind bare feet, laughter mixing with panicked instructions. Surround it from here. Don't let it escape. Every time it looks cornered, it slips through a gap nobody thought to cover. Wait, you're not getting away today. By the time hands finally close around it, everyone is out of breath and grinning. And that's when the real surprise hits. This isn't just a chicken. This is the chicken, the kind of size that makes grown women stop mid-sentence and just stare. Didi, I've never seen a chicken this big in my entire life, one of the sisters says, still catching her breath. Another chimes in, half laughing, half serious. Yeah. Didi, how are we even going to carry this home? It's going to be way too heavy to lift. There's a brief huddle, a quick decision. Let's do one thing. I'll call Lalli darling. A phone call, a promise of 2 minutes, and Lalli comes jogging over, ready to help wrestle this enormous bird onto the truck. It takes every ounce of strength the group has. Lift it slowly. It's so heavy. Didi, I swear I'm going to collapse. Someone shouts encouragement from the side. A little harder, sisters. We're almost there. And finally, with one last collective heave, the giant chicken is loaded. Lalli surveys the scene, hands on hips, clearly impressed. You guys have done a great job today. Biryani is happening, my love. The whole village is going to eat tonight. Everyone cheers. There's electricity in the air, the kind that only shows up when something genuinely fun is about to unfold. Hashtag washing a bird the size of a small truck. Getting the chicken home is one thing. Cleaning it is an entirely different challenge. A realistic shot of a rustic small pickup truck parked in a village yard. Several village women in colorful traditional clothes carefully unloading a massive, giant chicken from the truck bed together. Teamwork. Daytime. Sharp focus. R16:9. Someone's already ahead of the game. Look, sister, I've turned on the tap. I even brought the hose. But the scale of the task becomes obvious fast. Washing something this size isn't a 5-minute job. This is going to take all day to wash properly, comes the reply, though nobody actually slows down. Hurry up, sister. There's still so much work left. Apply more soap. The wings are still dirty. The scrubbing turns into its own kind of performance. Everyone finding a spot to attack with soap and water, spraying, laughing, occasionally soaking each other by accident. Today is going to be fun, someone declares, and honestly, it's hard to disagree. Wash quickly, sisters, clean it thoroughly. Today's biryani is going to be the most amazing one yet. Guys, today is going to be delicious. My mouth is already watering, someone admits, and nobody argues. Quickly, sisters, grab the tray. Add the onions. Add the chilies. Add the carrots, quickly. Add the spices. Keep stirring, sisters. The first wave of aroma drifts up from the pan, and even the people not cooking start drifting closer, drawn in by the smell alone. Didi, hurry up, friend, I'm hungry. Someone complains, only half joking now. Wait, sister, I'm adding the chicken, comes the reply, calm despite the size of what's going into the pot. Add the spices. Just 5 minutes, then the biryani is ready. A few beats later, Didi, add the rice. Add the spices and coriander. Hurry up, sisters. The calls continue, one after another, urgency mixing with excitement. And then it happens. The smell stops being just a kitchen smell and becomes something bigger. Wow, the aroma is spreading throughout the entire village. Hashtag when the whole village eats together. Wow, the biryani is ready. A pause, a moment almost of disbelief that it actually came together. Wait, sister, let's mix it well first, then we'll serve everyone. Today is going to be delicious. Somewhere nearby, a mother speaks quietly to her child. Son, do everything, at least eat well today. The boy answers, determined, Mummy, I will try to make arrangements. It's a small, ordinary exchange, but it says everything about what this meal actually means. Not just food, but care, effort, and the promise that no one goes without. Sisters, hurry up, sisters, fill all the tiffins. Add the chicken pieces too. Close the lid. Everything is ready. Let's deliver the food now. The tiffins move from hand to hand, carried out into the village, one after another, steam still rising from the lids. Mummy, the food has arrived, a child announces, practically bursting with excitement. Mummy, it's so delicious. The mother smiles, watching. Son, eat comfortably. My heart is filled with joy seeing the children happy today. The deliveries keep going. Sisters, let's hurry. Everyone is waiting. Keep the tiffins safe. Today we feed everyone hot biryani. One elderly voice offers a blessing as a tiffin is handed over. Son, may God keep you happy. Another taste, another smile. Wow, it's so delicious. My heart is happy today. May God keep these daughters happy forever. Back where it all started, the sisters finally sit down themselves, plates in hand. Wow, sisters, today's biryani is amazing. Someone reaches for a piece before anyone else can claim it. Hey, eat quickly. The chicken is so delicious. Don't let anyone touch my leg piece. Laughter breaks out one more time, easy and warm. Today, I really enjoyed this, someone says, leaning back with a satisfied sigh. Not just because of the biryani, though it was incredible, but because of everything that came before it. The chase across the field, the impossible vegetables, the soap, the water, the shouting, the teamwork. A morning that started with one oversized chicken running for its life ended with an entire village sitting down, together, to share a single, enormous pot of joy. And really, isn't that the whole point of a joint biryani? It was never just about the food. It was about everyone showing up, hands and voices and laughter all thrown into the same pot. And somehow, by the end of the day, there was enough for everyone. Maybe that's the real secret ingredient nobody ever writes down in a recipe. Not the giant chicken, not the impossible carrots, not even the spices simmering in that pot for hours. It's the chaos of a dozen people chasing the same goal, tripping over each other, arguing about who gets the leg piece, and still somehow ending up with a meal big enough to feed a whole village. You can't buy that in a market, and you definitely can't rush it. It has to be earned, one shout of hurry up, sisters at a time.